Cooking time with a special adobo. Kasi it's butter. I marinated this for 24 hours already. Andiyan na lahat ng ricados. Let's go. As you can see, malapit na siyang maluto. Put this in the oven, guys, para mag-crispy ang skin niya. Guys, that's the sauce that I'm looking. You see, the oil is come out, ready to go. There you go, looking good. It's time to eat. Oh, ready to eat. There you go, looking good. It's time to eat. There you go, guys, na-mix ko na. I put a little bit of beef sauce and then mix this one and this one, breadcrumbs. Tuto tayo, my own version. With this, ipa-fry natin with the egg. Yes.